Okay, now do it. Keep going. Make it tell me things.
Tell us the meaning of life.
You have balls.
No, that's them.
No.
Moses and Chris.
You have a back.
Yes, I do see that. There's the stack. What about Kelsey? Kelsey. Now what about Will? And Jeeves? How, Moses, what about Will and Jeeves?
They're the same person. It's like a Siamese twin. They both have the big nipple eyes and the belly button mouth full of lint and old food from yesterday, and macaroni and cheese, dogs, and like those cheese puffs that don't really mix anymore.
Oh, Chris. Okay, what about what about him? Oh, Chris says you suck too much for words. I like how the belly made a face too.
Good.